In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to Hosting a Website Builder. If you want to make your website more engaging, adding a video is a great way to do it. A video can help explain your content more clearly, showcase a product or service, or simply make the page feel more dynamic and professional. The good news is that Hosting a Website Builder makes this process very simple, even if you're a beginner. To get started, first open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website you want to work on. This is important if you manage more than one site because you want to make sure you're editing the correct one before making any changes. Next, click on Website to access your site settings and management options. From there, click Edit Website. This will open the Website Builder, where you can make changes to your pages visually. Give it a moment to load fully so you can clearly see your layout and editing tools. Once you're inside the editor, look for the plus icon. This is the option used to add a new element to your page. Click the plus icon and then choose Video from the available elements. As soon as you do that, the video block will be added to your page. After placing the video element on the page, you can adjust its position and height. This step helps you make the video fit naturally into your design. You can move it to the section where it makes the most sense and resize it so it looks balanced with the rest of your content. Try to keep the placement clean and easy for visitors to notice without overwhelming the page. Now click on the video element itself, then click Edit. This is where you choose the actual video you want to display. At this point, you have two options. You can paste the link to the video you want to add, which is useful if your video is already hosted online, or you can click Upload Video if you want to add a video file directly. Once your video is added, take a quick moment to review how it looks on the page. Make sure the size, position, and overall appearance match the style of your website. A well-placed video can improve the visitor experience and make your page much more effective. And that's it. That's how to add video to Hosting a Website Builder.